The last steps, we are very happy. Both beauties are finished. We are still in Rotterdam with our two beauties.
We are preparing a change of class combined with change of management and change of owners for those ships into the Polish National Register.
We have to see everything is fine, if the class is satisfied. Also, of course, we are satisfied. And then when we decided, okay, everything is fine for us, for FAIRPLAY, for the class, then we can go to Hamburg.
The best part of that job is really creating, in a very short time, a team which consists of very different people with different professions, different experience. So that's the most challenging part and the most interesting part.
The last steps today, very, very important. Of course, we topped up both masts, and as you see, our FAIRPLAY flag is already in the mast, and that's very, very important. Both beauties are finished for this trail to Hamburg, and we are very happy and proud of this, both new tugboats for the FAIRPLAY company. And now we are ready to go to Hamburg.